Hello, everyone. Today, I want to tell you a story. This story is about a small mistake. This mistake gave me a big lesson. It is a simple story, but it is very important to me. One day, I woke up late. It was Monday. It was a school day. I was very tired on Sunday night, so I did not set my alarm. I usually set my alarm before I sleep, but that night I forgot. When I opened my eyes, I saw the clock. It was already 8:15 in the morning. My class starts at 8:30. I jumped out of bed. I ran to the bathroom. I washed my face very fast. I put on my clothes. I did not brush my teeth. I did not eat breakfast. I was in a big hurry. I picked up my bag, but I forgot to check it. I forgot my notebook. I forgot my homework. I forgot my pen. I just wanted to go fast. I ran outside. I ran to the bus stop. The bus was not there. I missed the bus. I waited for a few minutes, but no bus came. I started to walk to school. It was very hot outside. The sun was strong. I was walking fast. I was sweating. I was tired and hot. I wanted to cry, but I kept walking. I reached the school at 8:50. I was 20 minutes late. My teacher looked at me. She was not happy. She asked me, "Why are you late?" I said, "I am sorry. I woke up late." She asked me to sit down. I sat in my chair. Then the teacher said, "Please give me your homework." I opened my bag. I looked inside. I could not find my homework. I looked again. It was not there. I said, "I am sorry, teacher. I forgot my homework." She looked at me. She was angry. She said, "You must be careful. You must not forget your homework." I felt bad. I felt very sad. I wanted to disappear. I did not want to talk. I sat very quiet. I looked at my desk. I wanted to cry again. After class, I went to the teacher. I said, "I am really sorry. I will not do this again." She looked at me. She smiled a little. She said, "Okay, I believe you, but please learn from this mistake." I said, "Yes, I will." I walked home. I thought about the day. I thought about my mistake. It was a small mistake, but it made a big problem. I was late. I missed the bus. I forgot my homework. I made the teacher angry. I did not eat breakfast. I was hungry. I was tired. My day was bad. I did not want this again. I said to myself, I must change. I must do better. That night, I went to bed early. I set my alarm. I checked my bag. I put my homework in my bag. I put my notebook in my bag. I put 2 pens in my bag. I put my water bottle in my bag. I was ready. I felt happy. I felt calm. The next day, I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. I drank water. I took my bag. I walked to the bus stop. The bus came. I got on the bus. I was on time. I felt good. I smiled. At school, the teacher saw me. She smiled too. She said, "Good morning." I said, "Good morning." I gave her my homework. She said, "Well done." I felt proud. From that day, I always check my bag before I sleep. I always set my alarm. I eat breakfast every day. I sleep early. My mistake helped me. My mistake taught me. It showed me how to be ready. It showed me how to plan. It showed me how to think before sleep. It showed me how to take care of my day. Sometimes small things are very big. A small mistake can give a big lesson. This was my small mistake. This was my big lesson. I will not forget it. I want to do better every day. I want to be ready. I want to be on time. I want to be careful. I want to make my teacher happy. I want to make myself proud. I do not want to feel sad like that again. I do not want to forget things. I do not want to be late. I want to be good. I want to be better. This small story is important to me. I think it is important to you too. We all make mistakes. That is okay. But we must learn from them. We must grow. We must change. We must try. A mistake is not the end. It is a start to something better. A small mistake is not small if you learn from it. It can make your life better. It can make your day better. It can help you. It helped me. I know I am not perfect, but I know I can grow. I know I can change. I know I can do better. I think you can too. Maybe today you make a mistake. That is okay. Just say, I am sorry, and try again, just like me. My story is not special. It is normal, but it is real. I want to share it with you. Maybe you see yourself in it. Maybe you remember your own mistake. Maybe you want to do better too. I hope so. That is why I tell this story. It is a story about one bad morning, one missed alarm, one forgotten bag, one angry teacher, one sad feeling. But it became a story about change, about planning, about learning, about waking up early, about doing your best, about not giving up. That is why it is not just a story. It is a lesson. And I will carry this lesson with me always. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you liked it. I hope you remember it. I hope it helps you too. See you next time. Goodbye.